In this video, I'll show you how to fix dropped frames and FPS issues in OBS Studio. If your stream or recording is lagging, these fixes can help improve performance. Start by closing the OBS Studio app. Open the Start menu, search for OBS, then right-click it and select Run as Administrator. This ensures OBS runs with higher priority and better performance. Once OBS is open, right-click inside the Preview window and select Disable Preview. This reduces system load and can help fix FPS drops. Next, click on Settings at the bottom. Go to the Advanced tab and scroll down to the Sources section. Disable Browser Source Hardware Acceleration. Click Apply and then OK. OBS will ask you to restart, click Yes. After restarting, your FPS and performance should improve. And that's it. Your OBS should now run smoother without dropped frames. If this guide helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.